Hi everyone, welcome back to English Learners. Today we are going to explore one of the most important parts of English grammar, that is prepositions. Prepositions are words that show the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. They can be tricky to master, but don't worry, we will break them down in detail. First of all, what are prepositions? To be short, prepositions are words that indicate the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. They can show location, direction, time, manner, and more. Here are some examples. In, the book is in the library. On, the picture is on the wall. Under, the dog is under the table. There are types of prepositions. There are several types of prepositions in English. Prepositions of location. Let's take a closer look at prepositions of location. In, used to indicate a location within something. For example, the book is in the library. On, used to indicate a location on the surface of something. For example, the picture is on the wall. At, it is used to indicate a specific location or address. For example, I am meeting you at the park. By, by is used to indicate proximity or nearness. For example, the park is by the lake. Secondly, we have prepositions of direction. Let's explore preposition of direction now. To. To is used to indicate movement towards something. For example, I am going to the store. From. From is used to indicate movement away from something. For example, I am coming from the park. Up is used to indicate movement upwards. For example, the balloon is going up. Down. Down is used to indicate movement downwards. For example, the ball is rolling down the hill. Then we have prepositions of time. At. At is used to indicate a specific time. For example, I am meeting you at 5 o'clock. On. On is used to indicate a specific day or date. For example, I am going to the party on Friday. During. During is used to indicate a period of time. For example, I will be on vacation during the summer. Before. Before is used to indicate a time prior to something. For example, I need to finish this project before the deadline. After. After is used to indicate a time following something. For example, I will meet you after the movie. Prepositions of manner. By. By is used to indicate the means by which something is done. For example, I am traveling by car. With. With is used to indicate accompaniment or association. For example, I am going to the movies with my friends. In. In is used to indicate a state or condition. For example, I am in a hurry. That's it for today's lesson on prepositions in English. I hope you now have a better understanding of the different types of prepositions and how to use them correctly. Remember, practice makes perfect, so be sure that you try using prepositions in your own sentences. Thanks for watching with us, and I will see you in the next video.